So guys, first method, click to start, type service. So this one, just open it. Then click R for RDB and remote desktop service. So you can find out, so this one, remote desktop configuration. So just right click and then start. If disable and already start, so just right click and after that click to restart, then service will be restart and after that close it. Then second method, open registry. So click to start and type registry and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Now, so first local machine, this extract, then system, extract, current control set, this one, extract, then select control, again extract. Okay, so this is control here, and find out terminal server, scroll down, come to T series, terminal server, same extract, win station extract, then RDP, then right click on RDP C TCP and then new. Okay, and after that select DWORD32. Okay, and then enter caps on SSL C caps off IPHER control shift S TRENTH. Okay, then hit enter. After that double click to open. So you have to enter the value 0, you can see, and just click to OK. And then close it. Then guys, next method, clear RDP cache. So click to start and otherwise go to this PC. This is shortcut. After that go to C drive. Okay, then click on 3 dot and more options, view, don't hide, and then apply and OK. After that right click. Okay, so then go to user, you're using this users, click on, then again go to click on 3 dot, then property, sorry, option, view, show, apply, OK. Then open file explorer, you can see this PC, then click on the top view and show, and after that check the hidden item, then go to C drive and then user, which user are using, open this, then this is app data, just open, same local, then find out the Microsoft, then terminal server client. And guys, if you are using Windows 10, so after that you can see this, open the file manager, and then after that you can see this checked hidden item, and then you can find out user, use this, then this app data, go to this local, then find out the Microsoft terminal client connect server, open this, then cache and select all, and then you can delete it. So this is your RDP Okay, cache. So just delete it and then close, and this is also close. Then guys, next method, reset the network and DNS setting. So click to start and enter the CMD, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. After that, enter the command IP config space slash flush DNS, and then hit enter. So this is successfully DNS resolves cache. Then again enter IP config space slash release, and then hit enter. Again IP config space slash renew, then again hit enter. Wait few seconds, and after it is completed, then it is complete. Then last command, second last command, nets win shock, then reset, then same enter hit. Then next net int space IP reset, then hit enter again. So you can see this is resetting, okay, and resolving this all. And the next method, and after all completed, then restart your system. Thank you. Click to start, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Then some command, so that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one, and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from. descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.